Welcome to the Blockchain Report, your daily rundown in the latest of crypto. $6 billion is gone? Hold on your bags because over $6 billion worth of value was just wiped from global crypto markets in a day. CNBC is reporting that crypto is plunging, with over $6.72 billion being wiped out in just 24 hours. This is mainly due to XRP and Ethereum prices continuing to drop. The fall was primarily caused by a drop in price by XRP, which fell 7.9% from the day before. Ethereum, meanwhile, also saw its price fall, dropping to as low as $191.07, which was 7.4% lower than the day before. Okay, so you know that financial collapse that happened in 2008? CNBC is also reporting that Nouriel Roubini, a major economist who predicted the collapse, told the U.S. Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Community Affairs at a hearing on Thursday that crypto is the mother or father of all scams and bubbles. That's terrifying. Next up, you know how Bitcoin is a volatile marketplace? Well, not so much anymore. New research in a report titled Bitcoin Market Route to Maturity? Evidence from return fluctuations, temporal correlations, and multi-scaling effects. Yes, that's really the name of the report. The names of these reports are stupidly long. The report by Chaos, an interdisciplinary journal of nonlinear science. Yes, that's the real name of the peer-reviewed journal. The report stated that Bitcoin is following many of the same market characteristics and trends of physical currencies. Express reports the authors stated, initially the graphs we got were a bit crooked, which did not augur anything promising. But when we took a closer look at the data, suddenly it turned out that this crookedness originated from the first 2 years of the analyzed period. That is, from the time when the market was just starting to shape itself. Later on, the rates of return fluctuated according to the inverse cubic law. Basically, all this is to say that Bitcoin is as stable as dollar and oil markets. Take that, dollars and oil. Next up, Vitalik Buterin says he regrets using the phrase smart contracts for Ethereum. According to Bitcoinist, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, responded to a tweet from CleanApp that said, "We've been clear since the start. Crypto should have left law out of it and stayed illegal." Vitalik's tweet then responded with, "To be clear, at this point I quite regret adopting the term smart contracts. I should have called them something more boring and technical, perhaps something like persistent scripts." Vitalik Buterin is known for having a lot of opinions. Vlad Zamfir, who is an associate at Ethereum, agreed with what Buterin said, but Zamfir said he preferred the term stored procedures instead of smart contract. Next up, a plastic surgeon just cut deep into crypto. According to Bloomberg, a group led by plastic surgeon and startup investor Kim Byung-gun has decided to invest in Bithum. Bithum is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea. The name of the group is BK Global Consortium, and it has decided to buy 50% plus one share of BTC Holding Co., the largest investor in Bithum. They paid $352 million. He initially made his wealth by investing in technology and biotechnology startups. Last year, he formed a blockchain analysis and crowdfunding company in Singapore. Honestly, the story would have been better if he made $352 million doing plastic surgery. And finally on today's show, Coinbase Pro has added an Ethereum token. According to CoinDesk, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has decided to add the 0x token to its pro trading platform Coinbase Pro. 0x is the first Ethereum token to be listed on the Coinbase platform, and after the announcement, the price of 0x jumped 13%. Now, 0x is only available on Coinbase Pro, so if you're going on Coinbase.com or the Coinbase app, it's not there. In a blog post, Coinbase stated ZRX trading will be accessible for users in most jurisdictions, but will not initially be available for residents of the state of New York.
You know something? Nothing for you!
Thanks for watching the Blockchain Report. My name is Taylor Nikolai. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest crypto news and trends, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Blockchain Report. We'll see you tomorrow.